Well, this breaking news we're tracking from Delhi NCR at this hour. Now, Delhi NCR's AQ is back to the poor category as Grab 3 restrictions have been reimposed in the Delhi NCR area. Now, Delhi's AQI has breached the 300 mark amid cold wave. Flights are also disrupted at the Delhi airport. This is the latest that we're tracking at this hour. The CPCB has claimed that AQI is near the 298 mark, which has been placed in the poor category. Grab 3 restrictions have been reimposed in the national capital. This is the latest that we're tracking at this hour as fog engulfs the national capital. We have my colleague Anushka joining us on the broadcast. Anushka, walk us through the details. We're understanding that the air is back again in the poor category.
That's right, Treat. We are seeing that the visibility and also the AQI has once again tanked in the national capital. We are seeing that the AQI today has been recorded around 368 according to CPCB's Sameer app. Now, I'd like to show you some visuals from the Akshardham flyover today. We can clearly see that a thick layer of haze and fog has engulfed the national capital, where clearly we can see that nothing can be seen after 350 meters. The IMD has issued a yellow alert for fog and the visibility is highly impacted. Even the AQI has deteriorated further. The collective AQI is recorded at 368. It is in the very poor category. Yesterday, CAQM had implemented the Grab 3 measures in the Delhi NCR region. Given the increasing trend of pollution, as many as 9 stations have reduced and recorded an AQI in the severe category out of 39 stations. Now, according to weather and meteorological forecast issued by the IMD and the IITM, unfavorable atmospheric conditions are expected to, in fact, impact the NCR region, and also a stable atmosphere, poor dispersion of pollutants and other adverse weather parameters could push Delhi's average AQI beyond the 400 mark, placing it in the severe category. So quite difficult days for the people who are living in the national capital, gasping for a breath of fresh air once again. And we are seeing that the visibility is impacting the flight operations and the train operations. We are seeing that the vehicles that are right now operating in and out of Delhi NCR are using their headlights and taillights at 7 a.m. in the morning. And this is what the situation looks like. The visibility highly impacted. The AQI right now in the very poor category, and also it is expected to be in the severe category in the upcoming days. Over to you.